Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, clearly, and step by step.
Hi everyone, I am Jake, and I have to say, I feel a little different today. A little lighter, maybe.
Oh, lighter? Did something happen this morning, Jake?
Yes, I just donated blood for the first time ever on my way here.
Wait, seriously? You donated blood this morning and then came straight to the show?
I did. They told me to rest for a little while and drink juice, so I had some orange juice and then walked over.
Aw, that is genuinely wonderful, Jake. How was it? Was it scary?
Honestly, I was a little nervous at first. I almost turned around at the door, but then I thought, just go in. And I did. And it was fine. Better than fine, actually.
I love that. Sometimes you just have to walk through the door. I donated blood once in college, and I remember feeling so proud afterward, like I had done something real that day.
Yes, exactly that feeling. I did not expect to feel so good about it.
And that feeling, talking about something you just did, how it went, what surprised you, that is exactly today's topic. We are learning how to talk about a new experience in English, naturally and confidently.
Perfect, because I want to tell everyone about this. In English. Everyone, please hit the like button and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's go. So, Jake, let's start with how you told me your news just now. You said, I just donated blood. That phrase, I just, is one of the most natural ways to share something you did very recently.
I just donated blood. I just finished work. I just got back from the gym. Just means it happened very recently, right?
Exactly. Minutes ago, an hour ago, this morning. All of those feel like just. It gives your news a fresh, exciting feeling, like it just happened and you want to share it.
I just booked my flight. I just tried sushi for the first time. I just called my mom. I can use this for anything I did recently.
Yes, it is one of the most useful everyday phrases. Now, when someone shares news like this, the most natural response is, how did it go?
How did it go? That means, how was the experience?
Exactly. Not just how was it, but how did it go has a slightly warmer feeling, like you are genuinely curious about the process, not just the result. You use it when someone did something new or challenging.
How did it go? I like that. It sounds like you really care about the answer.
Right, and the answer usually starts with, I was a little nervous at first, but... This is such a natural structure for talking about something new you tried.
I was a little nervous at first, but it was actually fine. I was a little nervous at first, but the staff were so kind.
Perfect. At first tells people things changed. You started one way and ended another. It makes your story more interesting and honest.
I was a little nervous at first. That is so true for me today. I almost did not go in.
And that honesty is what makes people connect with your story. Now, when the experience turns out better than you expected, you say, it did not hurt as much as I expected.
It did not hurt as much as I expected. Oh, that is very specific to my situation today, the needle.
Yes, but this phrase works for any experience you were worried about. The dentist, a job interview, a long run. It did not hurt as much as I expected. It did not take as long as I expected. It was not as hard as I expected.
Oh wow, I can use this structure for so many things. Just change the last part.
Exactly. It is not as I expected. Very flexible and very natural. And then, after the whole experience is done and you feel good, you say, I'm glad I did it.
I'm glad I did it. Simple, but it says everything. I made a choice, I followed through, and I don't regret it.
That's exactly what it means. And people say this all the time after something they were nervous about. I'm glad I went. I'm glad I tried it. I'm glad I said yes.
I'm glad I donated blood today. I really am.
Aw, that is really lovely, Jake. Okay, let's do the role play. Imagine you just ran into a friend on the street right after donating. I'm your friend. Ready?
Ready.
Jake, hey, You look a little pale. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I just donated blood, actually.
No way. Really? How did it go?
It went really well. I was a little nervous at first. I almost left before going in, but the staff were really kind and it was over so fast.
That's amazing. Did it hurt?
Honestly, it didn't hurt as much as I expected. Just a small pinch and then it was done. I sat there for maybe 10 minutes and that was it.
Wow. I've always wanted to try, but I'm a little scared of needles.
I understand, but I'm really glad I did it. It felt like a small thing, but also something meaningful at the same time.
That's so true. Good for you, Jake. You should be proud.
Thank you. It feels good to talk about it too.
That conversation felt completely natural, like a real street conversation between two friends.
It did, and I used every phrase without even thinking about it.
That's when you know the language is becoming yours. Okay, let's wrap up. Think of it this way. Today's phrases tell a complete story.
It starts with I just. That's how you open the story. Fresh, immediate, exciting.
Then the other person asks, "How did it go?" And the door opens for you to share everything.
And you answer honestly. I was a little nervous at first, but that but is so important. It shows the story moved forward.
Then, it did not hurt as much as I expected for any moment that surprised you in a good way. Change hurt to whatever fits your situation.
And you close with I'm glad I did it. 3 words that say it was worth it. No regrets.
5 phrases, one complete story. From the moment you share your news to the moment you say it was worth it, that's a full, natural English conversation.
And honestly, today was worth it. I feel really good. A little tired, but really good.
Good. Rest up and drink more water. Everyone at home, leave a comment below. Have you ever donated blood? Or is there something you did that surprised you in a good way? Tell us your story in English.
We love reading your comments. And if today's lesson helped you, please give us a like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's go. Keep unfolding your voice. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Take care, everyone. And if you've been thinking about donating blood, maybe today is the day. Goodbye.